Good morning, everyone. It's MJ from MJ's Luck and Treasures, and I stuck $5 in for Chumba Casino. So let's play some low rolling games. First one I'm going to try is Aztec Quest. It's dark and rainy and cold today. Not a fun day. We need 6 of those coins. The grand is up to 554. All right. I wanted to try Last Empress. I haven't played her in a while. I think she's due for the wind to come. Maybe I'll get the bonus. Oh, one short for the feature, which is 6 of the coins. Alright, let's try my Western Gold. Chumba's slowed down a lot. It's not been very nice to us. There's a little bit. And that's it for that. We have 20 cents left that we can play on. Let's try my nemesis. Nope, nothing. Well, it's a rainy day and it's a down day for Chumba today. So this is MJ's Luck and Treasures. And like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Also check out my eBay channel, MJ's Treasures. MJ Treasures. And I will see you tomorrow. Bye for now.